Welcome to where death becomes immortal. The journey of rebirth begins here.
This piece has the perfect density for a grand banquet table.
Heat is the key to stabilizing the calcium structure.
This structure is more durable than marble.
The perfect purification. The power of robots combined with the soul of art.
Robots create the shape, but humans breathe soul into it.
A combination of ocean treasures and the rarest precious metals.
This is just the beginning of a new era of materials.
This is where giant dreams take shape.
Precision down to the micrometer. Extreme cooling technology protects the biological structure. It can withstand pressure equivalent to a truck.
The intersection of the deep forest and the great ocean.
Bone can also shine like crystal.
Technology brings new life to ruins. Every fragment deserves a soul. Transforming bone into precious metal using plasma technology.
the world's first architectural structures made from whalebone, where massive scale meets absolute sophistication.
Perfection accepts no flaws.
These masterpieces are on their way to the world's most luxurious mansions.
This isn't just furniture, it's a legacy.
From biological waste to human treasure.
Every year, we revive millions of skeletons, saving the oceans.
Profit must go hand in hand with the planet's life.
So that the giants forever belong to the sea.
We don't just make objects, we are continuing the story of life.
Art is the bridge for us to cherish this planet more.
Can you believe it? Durability far beyond any gemstone.
Subscribe to join me in discovering the next industrial secrets.